Hey, what is up, guys? Martin here with a brand new video for you guys. And I want to talk to you about a topic that many of you are asking me about. Okay. So, this is one of those things that's so important, but so many people do wrong. So, here we're on the website of bench.co. And before we look at the website, I want to take a minute to explain what does and why I think they're the best and why they're so important. Okay. Now, we're all entrepreneurs here. So if you're following me, it's because you're an entrepreneur. And one thing that you need in order for your business to be successful is that you need to know your numbers. That's the key to your success is knowing your number, how much revenue you're bringing, what your expenses are, which expenses you have, where is the money going, right? And also the cash flow. Cash flow is so important for your business because sometimes it can make or break your business. So, for example, I'm in a business, an affiliate business, where there's revenue that's being owed to me, but I'm maybe going to be paid in 2 months. So I can have a lot of money potentially, but my cash flow is bad because the money is not there. Okay. So in the past, I wasn't tracking these things, and now I always ended up with months where I was like, dude, how is that even possible? I'm generating so much money, but I'm always kind of like broke in terms of cash flow. And I decided to do something about it. Okay. So I decided to do it myself when I realized that, hey, you know what? You need to you need to do your books or something. But dude, it was complicated. I'm not qualified for it. And the thing is, what you need to understand is if you get it wrong, then it can cost you a lot of money in fines and everything. So this brings me to bench.co. Okay. So Bench has solved all my problems. So here we are on the website of Bench. And I mean, these guys are, I mean, they're just the best. Okay. So here's what they do. They will do your books for you. Okay. So this is something that I don't want to do. I don't know how to do it. And I'll rather let some professionals do it. So now you might be one of those people who's saying, hey, you know what? I don't want someone to do my books. I'll rather do it myself. Yes, if you get it wrong, then maybe you feel your taxes incorrectly, and then you're gonna get a big fine. Okay, so I decided to look into Bench, and I mean these guys are the best. So one thing is they will do your books for you, and now I'm going to explain exactly how. Right. So also one thing that's really cool is that you can actually get a call, like you can call them anytime. So when they say you have a dedicated financial expert here, right? They're not kidding. You can call that person anytime. So you can book a call with this person and you can go through your books, through the questions that you have, etc. The support is ridiculous. So here you can see there's one-on-one expert support. There are many websites where they'll tell you, yeah, you have a dedicated account, blah, blah, blah. You have some great support and stuff. This is true, right? You have questions about accounting, which we all have because, I mean, it's some extinct science, at least for me. You book a call, they will answer all your questions, okay? Now, tax seasons, right? Tax seasons is one of the most stressful periods during the year, like in your life. Again, as I said, you can do stuff yourself, but when tax season comes, I'm always sweating because I'm like, I am pretty sure I made a mistake somewhere. Does this number go here? Does it go there? Blah blah blah. And sometimes, even if you're trying to fill your taxes correctly, then by submitting a wrong form or maybe something in the wrong box, then they can think that you were trying to scam them or do something shady with the system, and then you get fined. You can get into a lot of trouble. Okay, so I decided that, hey, you know what? I need these guys. And for tax seasons, right? They will focus on making sure that your tax returns and your all the forms and stuff are they're perfect, they're spotless. So basically, there's nothing you have to do. You get those, and then you can submit them to your CPA, for example, if you have one, or they can actually do the whole thing for you. So there's an option for you to let them do their things, okay? And this is what I recommend. Just let them do the whole thing. They will manage everything. All right. So here you have powerful reporting. Okay. So the reporting will tell you stuff like you know, reports about how much you're spending, your revenue, your cash flow, your expenses, what types of expenses and stuff you have. Okay, so it's pretty it's really really cool. For me, it took that off my plate because, to be honest, that's the last thing I wanted to do. And yeah, I mean, it's just beautiful. So now, how exactly are they doing all the taxes and all that kind of stuff for you? Okay, before we go into the pricing. So the good thing is that you can actually connect all your payment processors, bank accounts and stuff. So you can connect your bank account, you can connect your Stripe, PayPal, Square, etc. So you connect them to the account so that they will be able to do their work without you having to provide the files. Because sometimes you hire someone to do it, but they keep asking you every 2 minutes, oh, send me this file, send me this file, send me this file. So you're not saving time. Here in this case, everything is connected to one central location, and they will be able to do all the taxing and everything for you, all the bookkeeping. You don't actually have to worry about it. Okay, so now let's have a look at the pricing. Okay, so you have different prices here at the time of this recording. Okay, and so you can decide to pay annually, or you could go monthly. Okay, so these are the two options that are available right now. The pricing has changed recently, and one thing I will suggest is to test it out with depending on how big your company is, right? So you can try the essential formula, and then if you're happy with it, then if you want them to do your annual tax filings and all that kind of stuff, you can move on to the premium, which I honestly recommend, right? Because I had fines from the government, and I actually had to pay 12,000 euros. Okay, 12,000 euros once because I filled the wrong box. They had like 35 different boxes with like acronyms and stuff. I filled the wrong one. It cost me 12 grand. Okay, so I will really suggest you go with the premium to let them do their things. They know exactly how to fill all these forms and stuff. Because again, I'm not saying it's going to happen all the time, but if it happens, then you're going to see the difference. Okay, so here you have the annual prices. And obviously, I mean, if you're serious about your business, you know that your business is going to be here in a year, right? You might as well go with the annual one because you will save $100 every single month. So that's $1,200 a year, right? If you select this formula here, or here is $600 that you save, and that's a lot of money that you could dedicate to do something else. Okay, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. I really love the service because you guys know me, I'm a hands-off person. I like to work in my zone of genius, so not trying to do something I don't know how to do. And I like to let professionals do their thing, and these guys, they're the best professionals that I've found in this space. And I really recommend you guys test it out. So you can actually try for free here. There's a free trial. Go try it, and you'll take me later. Okay. So I really believe in this company, and again, I always tell you about companies that I believe in only. And so I'm an affiliate for this company as well. So that means that if you sign up through my link, then I may get compensated if you upgrade to a paid plan, right? If you like, but only if you like what you're seeing, okay? So there's no obligation for you to go and buy anything. And it's actually, it doesn't cost you more. It doesn't change anything for you. It's just going to be some support for the channel and like a virtual thank you for introducing me to Bench Martin. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I really suggest you guys have a look. Just go on the website. I'll leave a link here on the video. Just start your free trial, test it out. It will change your life, and you will be able to sleep at night, especially during those really really complicated periods of the tax season. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you in the next video. That was Martin. Bye bye.